It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 15th of August. I'm Michael Groff. After a couple of active days around here weather-wise, things turning a bit quieter today and tomorrow. Isolated thunderstorms will still be possible, and any one of those storms could put down some heavy rain and local flooding. But the weather pattern turns a lot more active as we head later into the week, with an increasing chance of showers, thunderstorms, heavy rain, maybe even a few strong and severe storms along the way, and temperatures headed well below average. So, a lot going on. Let's get into it here. First, we'll take a look at the almanac from yesterday. 101 degrees the afternoon high. 81 was the morning low. The normal high, 105. The normal low, 84. And looking outside right now here, just after 12 noon, a few clouds around. And we're sitting at 96 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point at 62. Relative humidity, 33%. The winds are calm and the barometer is falling. Here's the upper air weather pattern, and the story really hasn't changed all that much. High pressure remains the dominant feature, lingering around the Four Corners and the greater Southwest. The flow aloft is out of the east and southeast, so monsoon moisture is moving in here, and we see these periodic disturbances coming in from time to time. But a feature of note here, look over South Texas. We have a tropical disturbance down there, and that will be making its way to the north and west and coming into our region by Wednesday night, Thursday, and lingering around for the rest of the week and perhaps into the weekend. And that should bring a dramatic increase in moisture, as if we don't have enough around already, and more showers and storms, and a general unsettled pattern, which we'll talk about in a moment. The watch warning map, a sign of things to come. Flood watches with our tropical disturbance over South Texas. Even a tornado warning as of the time I put together this graphic in the San Antonio CWA. And when you look at the convective outlook for today, they do have that marginal risk for severe storms, as is the case across parts of the Plain States, the Dakotas, Minnesota, the Carolinas, and the Deep South. Here in Arizona, we're in the green, thunderstorms possible, although I think the threat of thunderstorms here in Phoenix today, very limited. Now, here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through Monday morning of next week from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix between 1.5 to 2.25 inches, and widespread 2 to 3 plus inch amounts across much of central and northwest Arizona, as the weather pattern will turn more active. We'll talk about that in more detail right now as we take a look at the models, see what the future may hold. Here we go. This is the GFS. It's the 12Z run, and this is valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. High pressure here across the southwest. There's that upper low across South Texas moving into the Big Bend area. And for us down at the surface today, mostly sunny sky for the rest of the afternoon. We'll see some clouds coming in later, though, with an isolated shower or thunderstorm possible. And any one of those storms in this rather moist environment would be capable of producing some very heavy rain. But the key word is isolated. Most of us probably won't see much of anything today. High temperatures for the rest of this afternoon, somewhere around 100 to 105. Tonight, an isolated storm in the evening, otherwise partly cloudy. Overnight lows, upper 70s to mid 80s. And then tomorrow, it's really the same forecast, mostly sunny, just an isolated storm around. I've actually kept the chance of rain out of the forecast for tomorrow, but the chance of rain is technically not zero. And any storm still capable of producing that heavy rain, and high temperatures again, somewhere around 102 to 106. Now, as we go to Wednesday, it appears that the majority of the day here in Phoenix will be dry, with mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms will fire up across eastern Arizona during that time and start to push toward the lower desert by Wednesday night into Thursday. High temperatures on Wednesday, still pretty close to seasonal averages. Going to Thursday and beyond, a period of unsettled and active weather is expected in here, as that aforementioned inverted trough or upper low comes into the region, injecting more moisture and added dynamic support. We'll see stronger winds aloft, and that should lead to more organized showers and thunderstorms. One problem we've had in these very wet weather patterns over the last few weeks is that the winds aloft have been very light, and that's led to thunderstorms that develop, but they just don't really move anywhere. They form in a spot, they dump very heavy rain in that location, and that's about it. As we saw even last night, just southeast of Avondale, down near Cashin and just south of Cashin, there was a very heavy thunderstorm that produced about 2 inches of rain, but it just didn't move anywhere. But these storms look to be organized, they could move, and we're going to add extra dynamic support thanks to an upper low, a short wave that will eventually develop along the Pacific Northwest coast. We could have westerly winds in the far upper part of the troposphere, and then below that, down in the mid-levels, we'll have east or northeasterly winds, so we'll have some veering of the wind with altitude. We'll have better shear and dynamic support for those organized storms, maybe some strong storms along the way as well, but This is still several days out, and this could just turn out to be one of those soupy, just showery, cloudy sort of environments with limited thunderstorm coverage. It really depends on those upper level winds and how the mesoscale features play out. So for now, we're just broad brushing the forecast. Good chance of showers and storms Thursday, Friday, showers and storms likely on Friday night and Saturday. High temperatures are going to continue to fall back. On Friday, we're probably only in the mid-90s. Upper 80s to low 90s on Saturday with quite a bit of cloud cover, showers and storms around, and pretty much the same deal on Sunday. Low to mid-90s, numerous showers and thunderstorms. And so again, an active weather period is expected in here. Going to next week, this is Monday the 22nd. The ridge of high pressure is sitting somewhere over the Great Basin, and so an east-northeasterly flow still in here. So scattered showers and thunderstorms will be around, especially in the afternoon and evening hours. High temperatures will probably start to warm up a bit as the upper heights climb. Then, as we go out 10 days, this is Wednesday the 24th, and still high pressure is lurking around the four corners somewhere, so these disturbances will rotate in from time to time, and it is just more of the same. Scattered afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms, and high temperatures still at or maybe below normal. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix, this is going out through the 29th of August, coming off of the European ensemble, and the mean is up there around 2.5 inches. You got one model member in here at 7.7 inches. You've got another one way down there at about 0.5 inch. So those are the extremes here. The mean 2.5 inches. That, I suppose that could happen if this more robust weather pattern plays out. But for now, just know that active weather is more likely here later this week and this weekend. That's the message we're getting out right now. Specifics on that, we'll figure those out as we get closer. Looking at temperatures off the national blend of models, yes, the trend is down, and there it is, 91 degrees this weekend. Can you believe that in the middle of August? And temperatures to remain, for the most part, below average through much of the forecast period. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, suggestions. Music fans, you know what to do. Check it out. My streaming station available 24/7, 365. It is known as KMGX. We play a ton of music. We have a lot of fun doing that. It is myself and the one and only Michelle that are involved in the programming and operation of that station. So do check it out. I'll leave a link to it in the description. All right, thank you so much for watching. All of your continued support, it is greatly appreciated. You guys be safe, stay cool, stay hydrated out there, and have yourselves an amazing Monday.